Assalamu alaikum. Today we discuss about the conflict in West Asia, Unit 19 in Chapter 10. Our part is Yemen. Okay, in 1538, the armed Uthmani army reached from Suez to Yemen, but the Yemenis have not enough equipment, but they resist strongly. The after effect of this war, Uthmanis destroyed many city, village, and field. In 1639, the Yemen became free from Usmani Ottoman, and in 1849, the San'an invaded Ottoman under the leadership of Tawfiq Pasha, and they came through the Hijaz, but they retreated because of the strong resistance of Yemenites. But the assisting army of Ottoman defeated the Yemenite Imam in 1904. Okay. In 1904, the rule of Yemen inside the Yahya Hamiduddin, he get out Turkey. Okay, the ruler in 1904 is Yahya Hamiduddin, and in 1910 to 1911, the Ottoman partially approved the freedom of Yemen, and after the First World War, the rule of Turkey in Yemen got ended. Okay. But the South Yemen, the part of South Yemen under the control of British, under the dominance of British, and in 1948, Yahya became a democratic after the end of Turk in Yemen. Okay, the ruler Yahya make that country as a democratic after the after moving Turkey from Yemen, and but Yahya can't do anything for the prosperity of country, and Yemen become isolated from the all other Arab countries. And in 1934, the conflict between Yemen and Saudi, and it reached near the war, but Egypt and Syria, Palestine solved this problem. In 1926, friendly commercial treaties between British and Yemen, and they agreed to approve freedom. And in 1928, an invasion for freedom in that part, but failed. And people unsatisfied the Yahya rule, and revolution and uprising take place against him, and he killed in that revolution. And the military coup by the leadership of Abdullah ibn Wazir. But that revolution failed, and Imam Ahmad came into throne before 1 month. After 1 month. Okay, he is a Imam Ahmad is a brave ruler. He ruled 14 years with big development, but people can't completely satisfied his rule. And in 1962, September 19, he died, and his son Badr take throne. But before 9 days, he got lost his throne. Yemen proclaimed as an Arab republic, but Badr did not agree to give up, and he resisted. He asked help in several Arab countries, and this war take several years in Yemen. This internal conflict make a big disaster in Yemen. After in 1970, with the compromise by the several countries, Badr family approved the revolutionary government. Okay, the first president of that Yemen is Abdullah Salal, and in 1967, through the military coup, Abdullah Salal lost his power, and later the 5-member council ruled Yemen. And in 1971, the new constitution of Yemen came, and in 1971, another military coup by the leadership of Ibrahim Hamdi, and built a military government. And in 1977, Ibrahim Hamdi died, and his successor Ahmad Hussein also died in an explosion. After his death, the National Council select President Abdullah Salih on 1978 July 7. Okay, the main work of Abdullah Salih is the Ma'rab Dam. He rebuilt Ma'rab Dam, and the Yemen divided into two. First part is Eden, and this is known as Hadramaut in earlier. Okay, and the Aden can free from Ottoman Turk in the leadership of Imam Mutahar, okay, and the Sheikh Fadl bin Abdali revolt against Imam Mutahar, and he make a army coup and take rule. And later the Abdali became the ruler of Aden, okay. Aden became the important commercial spot in the world, and Britain looked to capture Britain tried to conquer that, and the fight between Sultan and Britain, the Sultan defeat and Yemen under the control of Britain, okay. And in the time of 1954, the Britain take a charter to dissolve the North Yemen and South Yemen, and in 1963, the 14 Emirates support this decision, but the Yemen opposed to appeal. It is the trickery of Britain, okay. In 1963, the freedom fight against Britain, and in 1968, the Yemen got freedom, okay. After the 148 year of invasion of British, they got freedom. In South Yemen, the Popular Republic came, and Kahtan Sha'bi is the first president. And in 1972, the two representatives came in the conference of Cairo and make a system, but they elect to dissolve the two Yemen in one. And in 1909, later it will be flowered, and the first president of United Yemen is from the North Yemen, President Abdullah Saleh, and the Prime Minister from South Yemen, Haidar Abu Bakr Attash, okay. It lasts 33 years. Abdullah Saleh on throne, but uprising turned against him, and he lost his power. And now at that time, the old vice president moved to the power of president Abdurrab Mansur, okay. The Shia Houthi take a revolt against Mansur by supporting Saleh. Now Saudi help Yemen to suppress Houthi, okay. These are about Yemen. So we complete this unit. Next, inshallah, we have to discuss about democracy in Egypt. Assalamu alaikum.